my god, ये haul तो बनता है. Let me show you guys what all I got. So firstly, let me open this package right here. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ because I did get makeup after a really long time, like almost 6 months. Yeah. So first I have these two products in here. So first here I got the K-Beauty 24-hour lasting transfer proof smudge proof black kajal. I did open this and let me show you how it is. It is such a smooth and super easy to glide on kajal. You can see even the payoff is insane. This is going to be my best friend for daily use. Then I have their loose powder, which is the banana. This is the HD setting loose powder, which has avocado and mango in it. So here it is. Oops, ye ulta khul raha hai. Yeah, so yeah, I had no idea what all shades would match my skin, so for the safe side I did order the banana powder. Now let me show what all I have in here. So chalo dekhte hain. Sabse pehle I have got these three kajals, the liners from Swiss Beauty. I wanted these three shades. There are more shades, stunning shades I'm definitely going to get my hands on, but for now I got these three shades in here. So first let me show you the peach one. Oh god, just look at the color. The packaging itself is so cute and classy, I would say. And here this is the peach eyeliner. Just look at the color. Oh my god, I am in love. I wanted something peach to like create a eye makeup look. I have it since a really long time in my head. Then I'm gonna open this up. And this is the lilac purple shade. Oh god, I'm so excited for these. And just see how smoothly these glides on. Oh my god, it's insane. And then I was really excited for this shade right here. By the way, I didn't tell you, this is Swiss Beauty Color Me Happy eyeliners. Oh god, I'm so excited for this brown, not brown, it's actually a wine shade. And I know I am gonna be wearing this a lot because nowadays I don't feel like going with a lot of black kajal, but on the days when I feel like going a little bit of something soft and not very bold, I'm surely going to use this. Oh god, just look at the colors, it's so beautiful. Next I have in here is another K-Beauty product, which is their Lumi highlighter. I wanted to get my hands on this really long, but then I did not, purposely because I was not into filming for a really long time and I didn't wanted to invest in anything. So here, this is the highlighter. Oh my god, this is so pretty, so pretty. You can see it's beautiful, isn't it? So this is in the shade Champagne Fizz. Next I have the blusher from K-Beauty again. I actually got all the products from K-Beauty and Swiss Beauty. So here, this is the blush. The packaging is so sleek and beautiful, and I wanted to get this from a really long time. Like, I have been eyeing on this one. So yeah, I think this is like a everyday sort of blush. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very sheer light coverage, but I think I'll be able to build this up. So yeah, something which is natural. I didn't want it to go with something very overboard because I do have. So this is the sugar candy. And yeah, next product I have in here is an eyeshadow palette from K-Beauty again, and this is their Pure Bloom. And the packaging, I mean, the protective layers are so nice. Like, they do take care of their products before it reaches to a person. So yeah, you can see the colors. I'm not gonna swatch, but yeah, here it is. And then I have this concealer which I wanted to try it from a long time. So I got the Infallible full wear concealer, and this is in the shade, I'm going to actually mention the shade in the description box, so do check that out. And the last product from today's haul is this Pilgrim lipstick, which is my favorite. This is the Nudes Obsession, and I'm restocking this as this is my second bottle. So yeah guys, that is it for the Nykaa hot pink sale. I have been really excited for all the products, and I am going to recommend these all for you because the products are really good quality, and I love the lipstick so much that I had to restock it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try any of these products, do let me know, and if you have already used them, even comment down below. So that is it for this video. See you. Bye bye.